Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and this video is going to cover multi-pass finishing. Inside SolidWorks, we have a contour mill set up to remove this material. In this case, we only want to remove 50 thousandths of material at a time instead of all of it at one time. So let's go into our settings for Contour Mill 1 and adjust to make sure that we get what we want. We're going to edit the definition of Contour Mill 1. And then on the Contour tab under Side Parameters, we're going to adjust the settings. In this case, the cut amount is 0.2. We want to make that 0.05. And then for our previous allowance, we want it to be the entire depth of this feature, which happens to be 0.125. I'm going to hit OK and then preview. And now you could see that I have 3 passes taking away 50 thousandths at each time. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.